Alright, anybody who enjoys mechanical winky-dinky stuff is going to like this. And we're looking at the underside of an Ampex MM-1000. This is the supply reel motor, and this assembly up here, this is the bottom of the tension arm or brake arm, and this red switch here is the brake release switch, and this is what Ampex calls a safety switch. So no power is supplied to the transport until there is tape loaded, and as the tension arm swings with the tape tension, it releases this micro switch here. This is a dash pot. It's made by Airpot, and it's a Pyrex glass tube with a graphite piston in it, which is custom formed for this Pyrex tube. And then there's a linkage coming out of it, and that connects to this arm on the bottom of the tension arm. So now we can watch what happens. Okay, when you swing the tension arm all the way open, notice how it hits the brake release switch, and then when you let go of it, it glides in to stop rather than snapping in with the tension of the spring, the return spring up here. I had to modify this. This is a new dash pot. My MM-1000 didn't come with one, and I was able to get it to fit in here, so I'm happy about that. And the piston is adjustable. This is a push-pull model, so it provides resistance bidirectionally, and there's an adjustable valve at the back to adjust the rate. Crank that closed a little bit more, and then so we can get it set up for what works best for the transport. Winky dinky stuff.